Right, guys, let's just add a CSS class inside here. I forgot to mention it to you last time. In JXS, we use camel case to name our class, like class name, not just class. And let's see, we will not need this. Let me take off this one and let's apply that class there. Okay, we get it correct. So we can write our normal JavaScript here and then we set it to a variable and use it inside our JXS. Is going to just work normally. For example, if we say const name and we set the name to a string, let's call this maxafan's code depth, and then we come in our JXS and we are going to put this in a p tag. So we put it inside here and we call our name. So we can apply dynamic values like that. You see it works normally. It will work for string and number. Let's say 80. And then we are still going to call it inside here. We put this in a p tag like so. Number, and we'll get it correct here. What cannot happen is to make an object. If you make an object here, we call this object person and we give it a name. John, let's say, and we give the person an age. Was the person's age? 24. Put a comma here, and then we do the same thing by calling it inside here like so. So we call our person here. See, it's not going to work. It cannot happen for an object or a boolean. So but what we can do again is to go ahead and write our, so I'm just going to take off this one. We'll take this off. So we can go ahead and write our numbers inside here. Even is still going to work. Perform a particular calculation here. So you see it does that for us. We can even write our dynamic function also inside here. We can do something like math dot random. So I multiply this by 20 to generate random numbers. Okay, I'll have it like this. So if I refresh, it gives me different random number each time I refresh my screen. Another thing that we can do again here is we can make an array inside here. So we'll have our array like so. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. So it will convert everything as string and display it to us like so. Okay, and what we can do again is maybe we want to pass a link, yeah, a clickable link. Instead we'll put a tag like this. So inside here we can make href. Instead of putting http www.google.com like this. Okay, we'll have the link like that. But what we can do is we can create an object here called cons. So we call this a link, and then we put this inside here as a string. We pass it here, and then we can just call link here like so, and we are going to have it. Yeah, okay. Think that will continue in the next section.